Draw learning. Today we are going to draw Stitch while we learn Spanish. We draw their huge ears, that in Spanish is said, orejas. This is the nose. We draw their adorable eyes. Adorable in Spanish is adorable. Be careful, they are spelled the same but pronounced differently. Let's go with the arms, that in Spanish is said, brazos. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Marker in Spanish is rotulador. We painted their eyes black. Black in Spanish is negro. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say nose in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use purple. That is said, morado. Now we use dark blue, which in Spanish is azul oscuro. Now we use light blue, that in Spanish is said, azul claro. Let's see if you know the answer. Nose in Spanish is NARIZ. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.